Thou on whose stream, mid the steep sky's commotion, loose clouds like earth's decaying leaves are shed, shook from the tangled boughs of heaven and ocean. Angels of rain and lightning, there are spread on the blue surface of thy airy surge, like the bright hair uplifted from the head of some fierce maenad, even from the dim verge of the horizon to the zenith's height, the locks of the approaching storm. Thou dirge of the dying year, to which this closing night will be the dome of a vast sepulchre, vaulted with all thy congregated might of vapors from whose solid atmosphere black rain and fire and hail will burst. Oh, hear! In the second canto, the poet talks about the impact of the west wind on the sky. Look at this. Thou on whose stream, mid the steep sky's commotion, loose clouds like earth's decaying leaves are shed, shook from the tangled boughs of heaven and ocean. The west wind scatters the loose clouds. The clouds are compared as the decaying leaves. They are shed from the tangled boughs of heaven and ocean. Loose clouds are compared as earth's decaying leaves shaken from branches of the heaven and the sea. They are like angels full of rain and lightning, or they are scattered across the blue sky like the blonde hair of a wildly dancing girl who is a follower of Dionysus. The clouds that are spread on the sky are compared as the hair uplifted from the head of some fierce maenad. Maenad is the follower of the Greek god Dionysus. So here the clouds are compared as the hair uplifted from the hair of that goddess. The clouds are spread over the surface of the sky. The west wind scatters the clouds. The clouds stretch from the horizon to the top of the sky like the hair of the coming storm. Look at this line. Even from the dim verge of the horizon to the zenith's height, the locks of the approaching storm. Thou dirge of the dying year. The west wind is called as the sad song of the end of the year. The night sky will be like the dome of a vast tomb. The clouds that the west wind gathered like archways running across it. And from the salt top of that tomb, dark rain, lightning and hail will fall down. And again, this canto is ended with the address to the west wind. Oh, hear, please listen. My dear students, in this canto, the poet talks about the impact of the west wind on the sky.